Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you through my top 20 must-have Ikea lights that look absolutely designer, but for a fraction of the price. Ikea is honestly such an overlooked place for lighting, but in the last year their designs have completely changed and some of them are just stunning. I'll take you around the store and show you the lights that really caught my eye. I've even picked one up myself and there's another I'm seriously tempted to go back for. So let's dive straight in and let's get started. Right, first up, I came in to see this lamp. This isn't the one I actually bought. I'll show you later in the video which one I did take home. But this one is the one I think would be perfect for my office. It's the Stockholm 2025 pendant in glass and brass. And honestly, it's just stunning and it's so sparkly in person. It does come in two sizes, but the larger one's already sold out. You might be lucky in your store, but it had gone in Reading. This 38cm one had plenty of stock left though. And now that I've seen my photos back, I'm definitely tempted to go back for it. We don't have any pendants in our house. We mostly ended up with spotlights after the building work, but this one is beautiful, and for £80 I think it looks far more expensive than it is. This one I think is really nice. It's only £17, so I think it's great value. I like how it's got the tiniest little switch just on there, and the gold detail's really nice. You've got green or the cream, but looking by the stock, I think the cream has been quite popular as there's a gap. But they have got the green in the Reading store. But I think that one is really nice, and for £17, very nice. Next up is the Ran-Out wall clamp spotlight in off-white and black. What I love about this is you don't need to wire it in, you can just plug it straight in the socket and it makes it so easy. It's perfect as a quick reading light above a bed, and for £25 it feels really well made with lovely details. Found a plug. Not sure I'm supposed to be doing this Ikea, but I want to see it. You wait, the bulb won't work now. Plugged it in. The whole of Ikea lights go. What goes out? There we go. Very nice. This one is that one. £9. I'm not sure it's showing up in its best light, but it's a really pretty light. This one is the one that supposedly is the viral one that's been seen everywhere. It's that one. You notice I'm not pronouncing them. These are £8. Yeah, it's quite cute. It's all contained inside, which is quite good. It's good for a kid's room. Got the three colours, and stock-wise they have all the colours here. So do you like this one? Let me know. So this one is Active Spring, £35, but again, it's got bulbs in it. It's not plugged in. I'm going back to my plug socket. This is really nice. It's got a lovely button. which either turns it on and off, but it looks really expensive. It's got the gold detail on the top, excuse the flicking, and then it's got 2 bulbs. That's really nice. This is from the new Stockholm collection. I didn't see this when I reviewed it a couple of months ago. I really like the base. Really heavy block of quartz or something on the bottom. Really lovely. Now this lamp was one of my absolute favourites. It's a table lamp in an off-white cream ceramic, 50 centimetres. It has a lovely textured base and some really nice gold fixings. The shade is a soft creamy colour which could work well depending on your decor. But I will say I recently bought a very similar lamp for Home Bargains for £19.99 and I do think that one was better value. At £50 this isn't bad, but it really comes down to the look you're going for. This is the new tag toss pendant lampshade in white bamboo and it's 67 centimetres across. I'm not usually a fan of paper shades, but this one is such an interesting twist. It looks really expensive in person and it's actually quite striking. For 22 quid, I think it's a great buy. There were loads of stock in store and honestly, it looks so much better in real life than it does in the pictures. So bear this in mind if you're looking for something striking yet affordable. The Torrid pendant lampshade is such a great find. It's handmade, 36 centimetres across and only £17. I've seen this one used so often outdoors, in an outdoor kitchen, under a gazebo, and it just works beautifully. It's a really versatile light, and I think that's what makes it one of the best lamps Ikea sell. Going back to striking lights again, the Risbon pendant is a real favourite of mine. It's generous in its 57 centimetre size, has a designer look and it's just 17 quid. It's been in store for a little while now and you'll see it styled in lots of different areas around Ikea, which shows how versatile it is. For the price, it makes a real impact and it's definitely one I'd recommend. These are the new rod flick. I am very impressed. 25 quid. And these actually would look gorgeous over my island because mine are glass. They just basically collect dust. But this one is a really nice tin. Got a really nice gold detail on there, and that's green. I'm sure the green's showing up on the camera. It's a really nice light green. They're really nice for 25 quid. Really like. I like it because it's plain, so you could paint it if you wanted to. It's £50, which I think is a great price. It is always out of stock when I come in, but today it's in stock. And I think this has got definite the look of back in the day Laura Ashley, kind of a classic shape. You could stain the wood, you could paint the wood. I just think it's got really nice detail, and for £50 I think it looks really good. This is the Mr. Holt pendant lampshade at 45 centimetres, handmade bamboo design, is priced at only £60. It's very striking with beautiful detail, and what's clever about it is the base is adjustable. I actually prefer the rounded base, but you can style it in 2 different ways. I think it's exceptionally pretty, and I'm honestly tempted to swap it out in my kitchen to these lights because mine are absolute dust catchers. So watch this space, I might just do that. Well, I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments if I showed you any lights you love, or maybe you already have them in your home. I'm about to take my new light home, and I'm doing a full office renovation at the moment, so make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss that. So I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.